Scene, a dense jungle, late afternoon, asterisk. The scene opens with Jason, a seasoned explorer in his late 30s, cutting through thick jungle foliage with a machete. Sweat drips from his brow. Behind him, Amy, a smart and resourceful archaeologist in her early 30s, follows closely, holding an ancient map. Amy asterisk, excited, looking at the map, asterisk, we're close, Jason. The Temple of Anak is just beyond that ridge, asterisk, Jason asterisk, grinning, without slowing down, asterisk, let's hope it's not just another wild goose chase. This relic better be worth it, asterisk. They reach the ridge and look down. The camera reveals an ancient temple hidden in the jungle, partially covered by vines and moss. Amy asterisk, awed, almost whispering, asterisk, there it is